Hello family, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I am doing some quick Mother's Day gift ideas for you. And if you're new to my channel, I am Uneatly. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do DIYs, home decor, tablescapes, shopping, family, lifestyle channel, and much more. This basket right here, the Summer Vibes basket, is perfect for any mother who loves sun, fun, beaches, warm weather. It has all the right touches. I really love how this gift right here turned out. I love the colors. This gift is great for any mother that loves to cook, serve, entertain, throw parties, or any type of festive event. This gift here is one of my faves. Ready, set, relax. It has all that your mother would need for a nice day of self-care. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching another episode of Uneatly. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe.